friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about a brand new product from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the Sun Boss Gloss. It is an SPF 25 lip gloss. There are 5 shades in this lip gloss. I purchased all 5 shades so I could do a lip swatch video for you. I got mine from Ulta for $7 a piece. I'm gonna show you close-ups, arm swatches, lip swatches, give you all the details that I have. The first thing I wanna do is read some of the info and claims from the Ulta site for you. According to Ulta, this is a pigmented lip gloss that delivers mineral SPF 25 protection, buildable color, high shine finish, infused with vitamin E to moisturize and condition lips. Typical coconut scent. It's definitely very faintly scented. It has a little bit of that suntan lotion, coconut oil type of scent, if you know what I mean. But it's not very strong. It's very subtle. I didn't even really notice it on application, but if I'm looking for it, I can smell it, if that makes sense. These lip glosses are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, and the key ingredients are zinc oxide and vitamin E. So that's the rundown on the SPF 25 lip gloss. Now that you have that info, I want to show you some product packaging close-ups, and then we'll get into the swatches. Here's a close-up look at the outer packaging first. I really like to show this just so that you can see what you're gonna get when you order or what to look out for if you're actually shopping in person. You can find these new glosses in Target, Ulta. They're also available on Amazon and on the e.l.f. site. So lots of different retailers are already carrying this new gloss. There is some color coordinated packaging on both the outer carton and on the actual glosses themselves. They have color matched lids. I always like that. I just think it's a nice detail without adding too many bells and whistles. And when we look at the actual applicator, there is a standard small doe foot. This is great for detail application because this is quite pigmented. I think that this particular applicator works really well. I was almost expecting the long, flat, flexible paddle applicator, but I do think that the small doe foot here is just what works best for this particular product. Now moving into some lip swatches, we have a nice neutral mauve color. This is called It's Your Mauve. It's the one that I'm wearing throughout the talking portions of the video, and it is my favorite of the bunch. Next, we have the shade Peachy Queen. This is a soft corally peach color. I like that this didn't lean too orangey on me. I think this is going to be flattering on a lot of people, and sometimes these peachy coral colors are a little bit too orangey for me, so they struck a nice balance with Peachy Queen. Next, we have That's My Jam. This is a beautiful berry color. I really like the color of this one, but it is the one that is the most uneven looking on me. I don't quite want to say patchy, but it just doesn't have as even coverage as the other colors. Next up, we have the shade Blush Much. This is the really bubblegum pink type of color. It's like a baby bubblegum pink. Personally, not my favorite type of color, but I know that a lot of people do love this more classic type of pink. Personally, I prefer the other pinky shade. This is Pink Me Girl, and it's more of a nudie pink instead of that more bubblegum type of color. And this is closer to my actual lip color, so I think it's just a very comfort zone type of shade for me. But it's kind of hard to tell the difference, I think, when you just see the lip swatches. So I wanted to swatch those two side by side on my arm. You can tell there's more of like a brownish, more neutral undertone on Pink Me Girl, whereas Blush Much is more of that bright pinky type of color. These are one swipe swatches. I didn't build them up. I didn't do anything other than just one dip, one swipe so that you can see truly how pigmented these are. I'm very impressed with how much pigmentation these have without being super goopy. Overall, really nice, smooth, comfy formula. As a pasty pale person who has suffered many a sunburn in my life, and as an almost 40-year-old who has suffered plenty of sun damage in my life. I think this is brilliant. I'm a huge SPF fan. I talk a lot about wearing sunscreen, and typically I'm not the biggest proponent of relying on the sunscreen in your makeup, but I'm not opposed to it being there. I think it's a nice second layer of protection. And I think if you're going to be out in some serious sun, I mean, if you're boating, if you're at the beach, you probably still want to wear something more protective than this. But I think for the everyday person, this is a really, really great option. I'm absolutely going to be using this. I live in a very warm, hot, sunny place where I get a lot of sun exposure just even being in the car. This mauve shade called It's Your Mauve is probably my personal favorite one, but I also think that this is very similar to my lip color and looks very low key on me. This one is Pink Me Girl. I see myself wearing these two the most, but I actually like all five. I like that the scent isn't too overpowering. I think they're really comfortable. They feel nice and hydrating. They stay nice and hydrating on my lips. They do have enough thickness to actually have some color coverage, but not so thick that they feel sticky or goopy. So formula-wise, this is a great middle ground between all of those different factors. And I really like these. I think this is a great product, a great idea. I would love to hear what you think about the Sun Boss Gloss. Have you tried this? Is this something you're interested in? Which shade is your favorite? I always love to hear what you think about things too. So make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Sorry if there's dog hair on everything all the time. I have a dog. It's going great. Don't worry about it. I don't even know how to read a bunch of that stuff. This lip color looks really cute with this eyeshadow. This is drugstore eyeshadow too. Drugstore's been killing it lately. Right. It's time for lip swatches. Buckle up, because it's lip swatch time, which means either my battery or my memory card has to die soon. Peachy Keen. Jelly bean. Oof. I know I'm gonna forget something important. I can feel it in my bones. The only problem is I don't know what I've forgotten. That was weird, sorry. Almost done. As usual, the little bubblegum pink color is my least favorite. Blush much? It's fine, it's just not my jam. That's my jam. Sorry, I had to. They set me up. Okay, they set me up. Okay, last one. Oh, what? Oh, nothing. When my son was really little, 3, 4 years old, we would just hear some clamor from somewhere in the house, and then we'd hear nothing. So now that's kind of the running joke in our family. Like whenever we drop something or something like that, we say nothing. Pink Me Girl. I hate that name, by the way. Like the Mauve. The huh? I did it. We did it. Good job. Good job, team. We made it through together. I'm gonna go edit this video so that you can watch it. And I'm really glad that you did watch it. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. You're the real MVP. You are my shining star, and that is why I love your face so very much. And I will see you real soon in another video. I got more. Just keep coming back. I'll keep making them. Okay, see you then. Bye.